What is convection? Convection is a way of heat exchange in which airflows move. Convection is based on the principle of a natural air movement, when the cold layer, getting heated, rises up, and the upper layer cools down, gets heavier, and lowers down. This process is eternal. What is a mode of forced convection in a microwave oven? For that process, a microwave oven should contain a convector, fan, and a heating element. The heating element is responsible for warmth, and the convector moves it around the device. The convector is often placed on the back wall. As a result of air circulation, the temperature in a device can reach 200 degrees. When reaching the required temperature, the fan turns off. If the temperature inside decreases, it turns on again. Some microwave oven models have several convectors. The manufacturers state that such models are even more effective. How to use convection mode. Here are a few tips on how to cook with this mode. Use only special utensils, designed for UHF ovens. Make food in such a volume so that it won't come out raw. Every model should be accompanied by a special rack that allows airflows to circulate around the cooking dish. To get a crispy crust, use convection with a grill. This will help to save not only energy but also your time. Before starting baking bread, muffins, biscuits, and roasting fish, poultry, and meat, preheat the oven for 10 minutes. In conclusion, here are a few situations in which convectional UHF oven may be useful. If you are renting an apartment. If necessary, microwave ovens can be easily transported from one house to another. If the kitchen sizes don't allow to have a traditional oven. If your budget doesn't allow you to have a traditional oven. If you have a passion for crispy crusts. The convection oven is a good choice if you want to replace an old microwave with a modern one. How to choose the right model of a microwave oven. A good and high-quality microwave oven is not a cheap thing, and the convection feature makes it even more expensive. Brand models with convector cost from $200. The sizes and weight of such devices are usually 1,5 to 2 times bigger than of usual microwave ovens. The autonomous is usually mounted on the kitchen table. They are pretty heavy and bulky. Built-in models can be built in a complete kitchen, they don't take space in the kitchen. Devices with their circulation mode can be extended with such options as automatic food preparation, information storage, steamer mode, etc.